In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a workspace in Trello step by step. Whether you're cleaning up old projects, removing a test workspace, or reorganizing your Trello account, deleting a workspace is simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do it safely and without confusion. And just a quick reminder, deleting a workspace is permanent, so make sure you actually want it gone before confirming. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Trello homepage. This is where you can see your boards and workspaces. From here, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where your workspaces are listed. Now select the workspace that you want to delete. Make sure you click on the correct one, especially if you manage multiple workspaces. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to that workspace's main page, where you can see its boards, members, and overall activity. The next step is to open the workspace settings. On the left sidebar inside the workspace view, look for the option labeled Workspace Settings. Click on that. This will take you to the settings page, where you can manage details like members, visibility, billing, and other administrative options. Now here's the important part. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the workspace settings page. Trello places the delete option at the bottom to prevent accidental clicks, so you do need to scroll down fully. At the bottom, you'll see a link that says Delete this workspace. Go ahead and click on that link. Trello will now ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the workspace. To prevent accidental deletions, you'll be required to type the exact name of the workspace into a confirmation field. Carefully enter the workspace name exactly as it appears. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes or extra spaces, otherwise the confirmation won't go through. After typing the workspace name correctly, you'll see the Delete Workspace button become available. Click on Delete Workspace to permanently remove it. Once you confirm, Trello will process the request and the workspace will be deleted. After deletion, you'll no longer see the workspace listed in your sidebar, and all boards within that workspace will be removed as well, unless they were previously moved elsewhere. That's it! The workspace has now been successfully deleted from your Trello account. Before you delete any workspace, it's always a good idea to double-check that there are no important boards or data inside that you might need later. If necessary, you can transfer boards to another workspace before completing the deletion. This helps avoid losing valuable information. So to quickly recap, go to your Trello homepage, select the workspace you want to remove, open Workspace Settings, scroll down, click Delete this workspace, type the workspace name to confirm, and then click Delete Workspace. Simple once you know where everything is located. If this video helped you delete a workspace in Trello, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello tutorials, productivity tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.